guys? I'm working on my Blazer today, changing the speaker, the 6x9s on the back quarter panel. I already got everything broke loose. Take off the seatbelt, and the seatbelt bolt goes right here. And this little coat hanger hook, just a Phillips screwdriver, goes about right here somewhere. There's a little hole, and that's pretty much all you have to take off. And then you just kind of pop it back. Clips. Talking to the camera. Bring the back a little bit out of the way. Try not to break something. Let me see if I can put something in the way. This is the back piece. Clip back here doesn't want to come off. Get out of the way. Take it completely apart. Let's see if we can stick something in here. Okay, I got it. Let me show you. This is what the 6x9 looks like. The outside plate is riveted on, but right here is just a little socket. I think it is quarter inch, a little bit of dang. And let me change that. It's just 4 screws. What are you doing? 4 screws. And it comes off. Let me take them off and I'll get back. Okay, here is the old 6x9. And then the new one I'm going with is this 6x9. The Scar Audio 3-way speaker. Wasn't too expensive. Those are the ones I got. I already did the other side, that side, so I'm doing this side. This is my subwoofer, Kicker Comp R. Pretty good, 500 watts, running a small 500 watt Kicker amp. But yeah, I just wanted to show you, this is what came out of it. Old paper, new stuff. I also went and I bought the harness, just a quick connect, that way I don't have to do any splicing or anything. Easy to go, just plug and play. And this is a Metra 72 45 68. It'll fit these year's Chevy S10s. But yeah, I'll show you the speaker I got. I'm gonna go fit it back in and see how it looks. I wanted to show you, this is what it looks like with it out. There's a harness and it goes right in. This is the female side. It plugs in right in there. And then you have this side already has the speaker size terminals on it already, ready to go, and go from there. And the 6x9 will directly bolt on. They match up the whole pattern, so you don't do no extra drilling, nothing. You can use the same screws you use for the old one to fit it back in. Let me do that. All right, this is it. Put it all back in together, all back together. Screws line up nicely. Now I gotta put this all back together, which won't take long, but I just did the speaker install. I didn't bother putting any like dyno mat or sound insulation behind it for right now. I just wanted to do a speaker upgrade because the speakers were crap, super old. This is a 2004, so yeah, it's pretty old, pretty outdated speakers. And we'll go from there. I'm gonna put this back together and make sure everything works, and then we'll go from there. Alright, I finished putting it back together. I tried to see how they sound. They sound pretty good on the old, I got an old school Pioneer. Well, it's not too old. A Pioneer deck. Pushing the power forms. They sound way better than the stock crap. But yeah, I recommend Scar Audio. They're pretty good. I like them. I still need to finish doing the installation on my subs and amp, because I still have it. I just have it right here for now. It's just a small amp. This is a mono channel single CXA 500, 800 one. I think 800, yeah, 800.1 max power, 800 watts, but RMS 500. And this Kicker Comp R, it's a 12, RMS is 500, so I'm pushing straight 500 to it, and it bumps pretty good, especially in this little Blazer. It makes it sound really good. But yeah, this is where I'm at with this one. That's a 3/4 drop, and I still need to get some wheels. I need to redo the paint. The paint is faded and old school for 2004, so you know how old it is. I took the luggage rack off, and I got to repair the holes where the bolts went. They rusted there, and I have some rust back here. I haven't done anything else to it. 4.3 V6, 4060E transmission. Runs good. Still need to do some, yeah, I want to repaint it, get a new grill, get a new bumper. I'm really thinking about doing the GMC front end. I like the big headlights and the grill on those, but if I could find a good bumper or all that stuff at the salvage yard, I'd probably go with it. No, I'll just redo this one, and maybe later on I could do the other ones. You jumping? But yeah, this is it. I made a short video today, but just want to do a quick, since I was already in there doing the 6x9s, this is quick show you how to do it on an S10 Blazer. Well, this is for the Blazer. I don't know what size the S10s come with, but I know the Blazers is 6.5 front, 6x9s in the back, and a 4x6 on the dash. Or just a tweeter. I think they come factory with just a tweeter, but I put some 4x6s in there. My little girl, she loves playing outside, even though it's super hot. But I still got some more stuff ready to do. I still got some stuff to do on this thing, my Blazer, my Mazda. I need to finish doing the brake lines. I still need to get the dry shaft made, brake lines. That's pretty much it. It'll be ready to roll. And I got a part ordered for my Camaro. I have a catch can coming in. That's the first mod I'm doing to it, because it's pretty much, it's a really good, important mod to keep the oil out of your intake. I have that coming in this week. So I have more videos coming out this week. So stay in tune, keep in touch, and see you later. Bye.